Welcome. If you're experiencing issues with LinkedIn not working, you're not alone. Many users face this problem, but luckily there are several steps you can take to resolve it. Let's walk through some effective solutions. First, close the app and reopen it. This simple step can often clear temporary glitches that may be causing the issue. After restarting the app, check if the problem persists. Next, it's essential to check your internet connection. Open your device's settings and click on the network icon. Ensure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. A weak connection can lead to LinkedIn not loading properly. If your internet seems fine, the next step is to check your network settings. Sometimes there might be restrictions or issues with your current network that can impact app performance. Switching to a different network can help determine if this is the case. If you're still having trouble, try restarting your device. This can refresh system processes and clear any temporary issues that might be affecting LinkedIn's functionality. Once your device has restarted, open the app again to see if it works. If LinkedIn is still not functioning correctly, consider clearing the app cache. To do this, go to your device settings and find the LinkedIn settings. From there, click on Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache. Confirm this action to ensure that all temporary files are removed. After clearing the cache, it's a good idea to confirm the step was successful by checking if LinkedIn is now operational. If these steps do not resolve the issue, you may want to consider reinstalling the app or checking for updates. By following these steps, closing and reopening the app, checking your internet connection, restarting your device, and clearing the app cache, you can effectively troubleshoot and fix most problems with LinkedIn not working. Remember that sometimes these issues are temporary and may resolve themselves after a short period. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.